Roblox notifications not working on your phone? Missing friend requests, game invites, or messages? Don't worry, this is a super common issue in 2026, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you the fastest fixes that actually work. No complicated steps, just simple settings you need to change right now. Let's fix it. Method 1. Check Roblox notification settings. Most important. First, open your Roblox app. Tap the menu icon at the top, then go into Settings, gear icon. Now scroll and find notifications. Inside here, make sure everything is turned on, especially messages, friend requests, game invites, other alerts. If even one option is turned off, Roblox will stop sending you alerts. So double check carefully. Method 2. Enable notifications in phone settings. Sometimes Roblox is fine, but your phone is blocking it. Go to settings, then scroll down and open the apps menu, then find Roblox, open it, then tap on the notifications option. Now make sure allow notifications is turned on, all alert types are enabled, lock screen notifications are allowed. Without this, Roblox cannot show alerts even if everything inside the app is correct. Method 3. Check for Roblox updates, new fix. Outdated apps often cause notification bugs. Open the Google Play Store, search for Roblox. Now check. If you see update, tap it immediately. If it shows open, you are up to date. If problems still continue, clear Play Store cache or reinstall Roblox completely for a fresh reset method. 4. Turn off Do Not Disturb and battery limits. This is a hidden reason most people miss. Check your phone for Do Not Disturb mode, focus mode, iPhone, battery saver mode. These settings silently block background notifications, including Roblox alerts. Turn them off and test again. That's it. Your Roblox notifications should be working now. If it helped, drop a like, subscribe, and comment done if it worked for you.